How to create looping videos in Reelshot. Create mesmerizing and engaging looping videos in Reelshot, perfect for social media backgrounds or shorts, captivating content. This guide will show you how to seamlessly loop your footage for endless playback. For a perfect loop, start with a relatively short video clip that has a natural seamless transition from its end to its beginning. Trim your clip precisely to make the beginning and end flow together visually. Select your trimmed video clip on your timeline and then use the duplicate or copy function to create multiple copies of this clip. Place these copies immediately next to each other on the timeline. Once you have several copies of the clip arranged consecutively on the timeline, export the entire sequence as one continuous video. Play the exported video in loop in your phone's photos or a video player. Check carefully to ensure that transition from end of the last clip back to the beginning of the first is perfectly seamless. Your looping video is now ready to captivate. You've successfully created looping videos in Reelshot. Craft endlessly engaging content. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot creative effect tips.